What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli. I am the self-proclaimed wing king, guys, and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Now, what does that mean? It's simple. Your lemon pepper wings are garbage. Now, click that link above me, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the best lemon pepper wings on the planet. Now, in today's video, I got another special recipe. You already know what it is from the thumbnail. I'm gonna show you guys how to make lime pepper wings. Now, we've already done the orange pepper, and we already know who's the prince of lemon pepper. So now it's time to do lime pepper wings. Guys, this is an amazing recipe. I'm telling you, it's running neck to neck to those lemon peppers. I know you're gonna love it. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. As always, the star of the show, our Publix green wise chicken. Right here we have some fresh lime. We have some lime zest here, onion powder, coarse ground black pepper, some red crushed pepper flakes. We're gonna use some seasoned rice vinegar, kosher salt, some Sprite, some of this lime premium vodka, and some Limeade. So these are the ingredients we're going to use, guys. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Stick with me. I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so here are all the ingredients we have measured out. So I'm gonna let you know what we got. I've already cut and cleaned our chicken. So this is what we have here. Right here I have 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. Right here I have 1 cup of that Limeade. Right here I have 1 cup of the Sprite. Right here, over here, I have a half a cup of the lime vodka. I have a teaspoon of the red chili flakes. I have 1/8 of a cup of that seasoned rice wine vinegar. I have a tablespoon of dried minced lime zest. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of kosher salt, tablespoon of pepper, and I have a teaspoon of freshly grated lime zest. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and get this chicken marinated. All right, I'll see you in the next step. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start preparing our marinade. So let's see if we can do this and get it all in one bowl without it spilling. You know, I'm good for not having a bigger bowl when I have all these liquid ingredients. So let's start with adding our lime juice, fresh lime juice. Let's add it to our limeade like that. Let's go ahead and add our vodka, lime vodka here. We're gonna add our seasoned rice vinegar. Then let's go ahead with our dry ingredients, chili flakes, our dried minced lemon lime zest. Let's get our garlic powder here. Let's add our salt, also our pepper, and let's add this fresh lime zest. All right, so let me get this a little whisk right here. Let's get this all whisked up together. Now, I know I haven't added my Sprite in there yet, but that's fine. That's fine. We'll get that last and get it all together. I'm not going to pour it in this bowl because we already know what's going to happen if I put it in this bowl. All right, so it looks like what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to pour this into another empty bowl to get it all mixed up. And I'm going to tell you why I had to do this, all right? Not only because I'm going to, it's going to run over, but we're going to use some for marinade and then reserve the rest. So we're going to pour the Sprite in there, and we're going to give it a good whisk like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reserve about a cup of this. I'm going to take about a cup, and we're going to use this for basting and for the sauce at the end of the recipe. So now that we have this, what we're going to do, I'll put my chicken in a Ziploc bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the rest of this over our chicken. And we're gonna, of course, get the air out of this like that. And we're going to seal it. Make sure you get all the air out of it. Seal it. And we're gonna marinate these bad babies overnight for the maximum flavor. And I'll see you guys in 24 hours, all right? All right, guys, so it has been 24 hours since I let these bad babies here marinate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull them out here, and I'm gonna just dump them, put them in this, not dump them, but place them in this bowl here, and you'll see while I'm doing this right in just a second. All right, so now that we have them in the bowl, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my seasoning. What I did was I mixed some ground, coarse ground black pepper, some garlic powder, some lime zest, and some kosher salt together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place, we're gonna do, this is probably about a tablespoon. Don't know if I'm gonna do a tablespoon. Let me see what we're gonna do first. Yeah, we may put all this on there. Let's go ahead and sprinkle on it and see what we got first. Okay, right. And this should just add some additional flavor, guys. With that. All right, and let me do a little, mixing this up a little bit. Like that. Oh man. This is what I'm talking about. Right here. Because you want that lime taste. I tell you, you want that lime taste, guys. All right, so now that we have that, what we're going to do is let me move this aside. I'm gonna place my baking sheet right there. And I've already lined it with cooking spray and I lined it with aluminum foil. Now I'm just gonna put a little cooking spray on here, you know, to keep it from sticking. Chicken from sticking, there you go. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and add these chicken pieces here, skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. And I've already preheated the oven for 400 degrees. So what we're gonna do once we get these bad babies onto this rack, we're just gonna stick them in the oven, let them cook for about 45 to 50 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes. Guys, you know I cook mine a little bit longer. I always have to say that in every video. I wish I didn't, because most people send these messages, oh, that's too long. Well, no, it's not too long for me. It's just right for me. So I typically say it in every video. But yeah, I usually cook mine for about 50 minutes. But guys, that's because I like mine extra crispy. If you don't like yours that way, then, you know, cook it for 35 minutes. It's your choice. It's your chicken. You got to eat it. All right. So I'm going to cook mine for the desired time that I like. All right. So now that we have this on here, I'm going to go ahead and put these bad babies into the oven again for 40 to 50 minutes, flipping them over halfway through the cooking process so that way they can cook on the other side. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so we're about halfway through the cooking process of our wings. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start preparing our lime pepper sauce. So we're gonna take what was left over that we reserved of our lime pepper marinade, and we're gonna put it in a pan. It's about a cup. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a stick of butter, which is a cup of butter, and I'm just gonna add that also. And we're gonna melt this and kind of bring it to a boil. All right, so now we're melting the butter. The butter is melting, and also this, our sauce is coming to a boil. And we're gonna allow this to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then once it boils for 2 or 3 minutes, what we'll do is we'll we'll turn down the temperature and let it simmer to kind of thicken the sauce for us. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so I've already turned down our heat, and we're gonna allow it to simmer for the next 3 to 5 minutes, and to kind of thicken up a little bit. And once we do that, we should be close to our wings being done. So I'll be right back. All right, so it looks like our sauce is done right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour this into an empty dish, and we're going to reserve it until the wings are done. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. And as you can see, guys, take a look at that. And look how we got a little thicker than what we had it before. So that's what we're looking for. And now the wings are done. So let me get them over here. Let you take a look at them. Be right back. And guys, this is what we have right here. After 50 minutes, this is what we have, our lime pepper wings. So we're gonna get these back. We're gonna remove them from this pan, and then we're gonna put them over here in this bowl. Take a look at that. Oh man, guys, look at that. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. All right, and that's what we have here. So let's get these bad babies sauced up, and we'll go ahead and continue. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our sauce, and we're just going to liberally just drizzle some of that goodness, that lime butter sauce over here. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about, guys. All right, and then what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna give it a good mix like this. All right, that's what I'm looking for right there, guys. This is what I'm looking for. All right, take a look at that. Ooh, piping hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these bad babies on a plate, and I'll be right back. Oh, you know what? Before I go, what we're gonna do, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna just dribble a little of that seasoning, that dry lime seasoning over the top of it like that. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Then we're gonna give it another mix like that. All right. All right, be right back. And there you have it, guys. Lime pepper wings. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Put it in the comments below, guys. The Prince of Lemon Pepper has now made a creation, lime pepper, the sister of lemon pepper. So respect the lemon pepper as always, and you're gonna have to start respecting the lime pepper. All right, guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Masterpiece. Is beautiful, guys. Also, I've left the ingredients in the video description below, along with the measurements, along with the links. If you need to go purchase them from Amazon, go ahead and do that. I appreciate everybody who's been supporting the channel that way. It really helps out. It really helps me create these delicious recipes. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And everybody who's been going to that Teespring and getting that All Wings Everything merch, guys, I really appreciate it. You just don't know. That's why I'm here making these delicious recipes for you guys. If it's your first time here and you love good wing recipes and you like some easy appetizer recipes, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. All right. So, and until then, you know what? Let me get one of these lime pepper, man. Y'all don't know who y'all dealing with. Look at that one there, man. Look at that. Let's see what this one's talking about. Lime pepper wings. You want to try them? Let me get another one. I'm about to let y'all go, man, cause I'm about to sit down with these things. You know, I marinated them with some lime vodka, so I'm gonna get a sip of that with these lime pepper wings. I love it, guys. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, All Wings Everything, and I am out. Take a look at that. Peace.